In this video, we're going to walk through the new paths functionality that MESA has. This is very exciting for me because this was something I was wanting to exist for a long time when I was in-house with MESA, and they got it done. They got it done. When you set up, so in this workflow, we're going to do a pretty simple example, either tag a customer as a first time or repeat customer using the paths. Paths are basically conditional logic or branching. And so when you create a path, it's going to give you 2 by default, and you can create, like a third one if you want to, that type of thing. And then within each path, you're going to be able to define the conditions for it to execute. All right, so in this one, order count equals 1 for the first time customer, and order count is greater than 1 for the repeat customer. And then within these paths, you're going to do, in this case, we're sending an email, thanks for your first order, and then we're going to go ahead and tag that order. And then over here, we're just going to tag it as a repeat order. So pretty simple, but this opens up a lot of functionality, obviously, that was limited in the past. One note to be aware of, currently the way loops work is that loops, if you have a loop inside of the path, it's going to run asynchronously. So the second path isn't necessarily going to run after everything within the loop completed. That may be getting worked on sometime soon. So that's something to be aware of. But let's go ahead and test it out. Why are we talking so much? Let's test her out, because it has a cool little interface. And they've been doing a lot of work on the testing interface, actually. So it's walking you through these steps. It's walking you through the path so you can see it. It did, in this case, it didn't pass this condition because this is my test customer that has a bajillion orders. So it's obviously a repeat customer. And that's how that works. So I hope that's useful for you. If you need any help setting it up, feel free to reach out, and we hope that helps.